Are you stuck choosing between Vim and Emacs? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two powerful text editors and help you decide which one is right for you. Both Vim and Emacs are popular tools among developers. They help you write and edit code efficiently. Each has its own style and unique features that attract different users. Let's start with Vim. Vim is known for its speed. It uses a modal editing system, which means you switch between different modes for inserting text and navigating. This can make editing very fast once you get the hang of it. Vim is lightweight and works well in terminal environments. Many users love its keyboard shortcuts, which can speed up their workflow. Now, let's talk about Emacs. Emacs is more than just a text editor. It's a full-fledged environment for coding. It has a built-in package manager, which means you can extend its functionality easily. Emacs is highly customizable, allowing users to tweak almost every aspect of it. This flexibility can be a big draw for those who want to create a personalized coding experience. So, what are the key differences? Vim focuses on speed and efficiency with its modal editing, while Emacs offers extensive customization and a rich ecosystem of packages. If you prefer a quick keyboard driven approach, Vim might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you want a versatile tool that you can tailor to your needs, Emacs is likely the way to go. When it comes to pricing, both tools are free and open source. You can download and use them without spending a dime. In conclusion, if you like fast editing and simplicity, choose Vim. If you want a customizable environment with lots of features, go with Emacs. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech content.